Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel English with Iffee. Today's lesson is about how to use few words in a correct way. So few words you are probably using in a wrong way. So उनमें से number one क्या है? Number one है infamous. Infamous लोग इसके बारे में सोचते हैं it means is very famous. So actually it means well known for being bad or evil. For example, our boss became infamous right after canceling our holiday pay. Like this is example. And the second word is travesty. Travesty, people think the meaning of travesty is tragedy. So actually it means, actual mean is poor or false. Like your comedy show was a travesty. Means तुम्हारा जो comedy show था वो poor था. Like and false की example क्या होगी? Your marriage contract was a complete travesty. Like ये false था, झूठा था. And third is dilemma या dilemma means जिस भी तरीके से आप इसको means like use करें. So in both ways means दोनों तरीके से आप इसको pronounce कर सकते हैं. Both are correct. So dilemma इसका meaning लोग समझते हैं. The people think the meaning is problem, but actually so it means is like a situation in which you have to make a very difficult choice between the things of equal importance. Like for example, I saw two wonderful wristwatches and choosing between them proved to be a dilemma. Like so in this way you can use these words in a correct way. Hopefully this lesson is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it with your friends or your relatives. Thank you very much.